Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to answer a question that gets repeated a lot in interviews regarding Python developer jobs. But before we get started, I have created a free ebook on how to make money coding online, and it's totally for free. You can download it in the description below. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video in programming. So let's get started. First of all, suppose that we have an array and we want to get all odd numbers from that array. What we would do is that we want to get each element, we want to get each element or item of that array or list and divide it by 2, and if the remainder equals 0, it's an even number. If it doesn't equal 0, then it's an odd number. So we need to create that algorithm. So here what I'm going to type is I am going to use a for loop, and then I am going to use x in array, and then I am going to use if statement to check each element. So if that x and then percentage 2 does not equal 0, which means that if for example, if we take the first iteration, the first number is 12 divided by 2, the result is 6 and the remainder is 0. So this is an even number, so we don't want this number. But if we get to the second iteration, 11, so here if we divide 11 divided by 2, we are going to get 5 and the remainder is 1, which means it doesn't equal 0. So we want that number because it's an odd number. So here I'm going to create an empty array called odd equals empty, and here I am going to just use this array, this odd, and then append, and I'm gonna just pass this x inside. And finally what I need to do is just print or return the result. So if we add all of these lines into just a function, we just use return. If not, we use print. So here I'm gonna use return, and I'm going to return this odd. And I'm going to add all of these lines into a function called get odd numbers, or num. And it's going to take this array. And there you go. If we now call this function and use the print, and then I'm going to call this function and I'm going to pass the array. And if I save and run, what I'm going to get is 11, 31, and 3. And if we check here, the odd numbers here are 12 is not, obviously. 11 is an even number, which is here as well. 31 is an odd number, sorry. 11 is an odd number, so it's here. 31 is an odd number, so it's here. 8 is an even number. 3 is an odd number, so it's here. So the result is absolutely correct. And this is the function that you would use to get odd numbers from an array. And this question is very important because in interviews, they just want to know how much you know about Python or any specific programming language. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And also don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more content. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.